Hello dear students, open your science textbook page number 212. So our science chapter number 6, universe and the solar system is going on. So in last video we had learned about solar system and their 8 planets. So today we are going to study about satellites. So what is the spelling of satellite? S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E-S, satellites. S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E-S, satellites. A satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. Like a star, satellite is also a heavenly body and satellites are revolves around a planet. Natural satellites are heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. The moon is the natural satellite of Earth. So, which is the natural satellite of Earth? Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Artificial satellites are satellites sent by scientists into space. They helps us in a communication and weather forecast. So they are also having some artificial satellites and they are also sent by scientists into the space. And these artificial satellites helps us in a communication and weather forecast. So we are saying to a television, we have a mobile. So for all these get network from these satellites. Okay, the following table gives the number of natural satellites around each planet. So planet and number of satellites. So Mercury has 0 number of satellites. Venus has 0 number of satellites. Earth has 1 satellites, that is moon, natural satellite. Mars has 2 satellites. Jupiter has about 67 natural satellites. Saturn have about 62 satellites. Uranus have about 27 satellites and Neptune have about 14 satellites. So next point is asteroids. Asteroids are rocky metallic objects that revolve around the sun. So asteroids also revolves around the sun, but they are rocky and they are having a metallic objects. Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, asteroids are too small to be considered as planets. So asteroids are not a planet because they are too small. So they are not considered as a planets and they revolves around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. And asteroids are rocky and metallic objects. Chrysis is the largest asteroid. What is the name of the largest asteroid? Chrysis is the largest asteroid. Then next is the comets. Comets are a small heavenly bodies that travel around the sun in irregular orbits. They are made up of ice, dust and small rocky particles. Comets have a gaseous tail. See, this is a gaseous tail of the comets that grows longer as they come near the sun. So comets are also heavenly bodies that travel around the sun in irregular orbit. They are made up of ice, dust and small rocky particles. And comets have a gaseous, see this is a gaseous tails of comet. And when comets comes near the sun, the tail grows longer. Then next is the meteors. Meteors are meteors are pieces of rock that burn brightly when they enter Earth's atmosphere. They are also called shooting stars. So, have you seen shooting star in the sky? So, shooting star is called meteors. Shooting star is called meteors. And they are pieces of a rock that burn brightly when they enter Earth's atmosphere. And they are also called shooting star. Next is a point stars. Stars are heavenly bodies that have a light of their own. So stars are twinkling in the sky because they have their own light. Stars are always present in the sky but we cannot see them during the day because of the bright light of the sun. So stars हमेशा ही sky में होती है but we cannot see them because in the day sunlight is very bright and because of the bright light of the sun we cannot see stars in the sky. So stars day में भी sky में होते हैं और night में भी sky में होते हैं. The sun is the sun is also star. It appears big and bright because it is closer to us than any other star. The sun is also a star. And why sun looking very big and bright? Because it is closest to the earth and than any other star. There are many stars bigger than the sun. Since these stars are very far from us, they appear very small. A collection of stars that appear to be arranged in a specific pattern is called constellation. So what is meant by constellation? Collection of stars or a group of a star appear to be arranged in a specific pattern is called constellations. If you watch the sky closely on a clear night, you can see many constellations. Some famous constellations are Leo, Orion, Scorpio, Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. Ursa Major is also called Saptarshi. So have you heard this name Saptarshi? So Saptarshi is a one constellation. Means what? It is a group of a star and it is appeared in a specific pattern. So that is called Saptarshi. The polar star, the brightest star in the night sky, can be found in Ursa Minor. So Saptarshi is called constellation. Means what? Group or a collection of stars. So let's see. Choose the correct answer. Dash means of the sun. Solar means of the sun. The sun is made up of hot gases. Dash do not have light of their own. Planet do not have light of their own. Dash is also called the red planet. Mars is also called the red planet. Dash has no satellites or moons. So Venus has no satellites or moon. So answer is Venus. So student, next point is the galaxy. What is meant by galaxy? Let's see. Galaxy is a large collection of many stars. The solar system is a part of galaxy called the Milky Way. The Milky Way has a spiral design. So what is meant by galaxy? A large collection of many stars. Okay, and the solar system is also a part of galaxy. Our solar system also a part of galaxy, and that is called the Milky Way. So look at this diagram. This is a diagram of Milky Way. The Milky Way has a spiral design. Milky Way has a spiral design. The solar system is a very small part of the Milky Way. So solar system is also apart from the galaxy. And galaxy that is called Milky Way, and solar system is a very small part of the Milky Way galaxy. There are many galaxies such as the Milky Way in the universe. So next is the Earth. Earth means we live on the Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life is known to exist. So कौन से planet पे सिर्फ life है? So Earth ऐसा जो planet है उस पे ही life है, उस पे ही humans है, उस पे लिविंग थिंग्स है. So Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life is known to exist. This is because Earth has air, water and the right temperature needed to support life. Why life is only exist on the Earth? Because Earth has air, water and the right temperature, and all these things needed to support life. Because Earth पे क्या है? Air है, water है और temperature, and all these are very important for our life to live. Okay, so that's why Earth only exists life. Earth is spherical in shape. It is flattened at the poles and plugged in the middle. So Earth is also spherical, like a spherical in the shape, and it is flattened at the pole and plugged in the middle. Earth spins on its own axis. This movement of Earth is called rotation. So this is Earth and this is the axis of Earth. So Earth spins on its axis. तो बाकी के प्लैनेट्स वो अर्थ और सन को रिवॉल्व करते हैं, स्पिन होते हैं, बट अर्थ इज spins only on its axis. So this movement is called rotation. Earth also moves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Earth also moves around the sun. This movement is called revolution. और जब अर्थ सन को रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड, और जब अर्थ सन को अराउंड करती है और सन के पास रिवॉल्व्स होती है, so that movement is called revolution. Okay, when earth revolves around itself, that is called rotation, and when earth revolves around the sun, that movement is called revolution. Okay, and because of this, when earth revolves around the sun, because of this we get the डे एंड नाइट. तभी हमें क्या होता है, नाइट और डे मिलती है. ओके, देन एस्ट्रोनॉमी. एस्ट्रोनॉमी इज द स्पेसिफिक स्टडी ऑफ हेवनली बॉडीज सच एज स्टार्स एंड प्लैनेट्स. सो एस्ट्रोनॉमी इज द स्टडी ऑफ हेवनली बॉडीज सच एज स्टार्स एंड प्लैनेट. मतलब एस्ट्रोनॉमी क्या है, वो साइंटिफिक स्टडी, इट्स अ साइंटिफिक स्टडी एंड स्टडी ऑफ स्टार्स एंड प्लैनेट्स. A person who studies heavenly bodies is called as an astronomer. और जो पर्सन स्टार्स और प्लैनेट्स का स्टडी करते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं, एस्ट्रोनॉमर. Modern astronomy started in the 17th century when Galileo, an Italian astronomer, made the first telescope. So that this is a telescope, and this telescope is used to see the stars and planets from the स्काई. ओके, तो इस टेलीस्कोप से हम क्या देख सकते हैं, स्टार्स और प्लैनेट्स देख सकते हैं. एंड हु मेड दिस इज मेड बाय Galileo, an Italian astronomer. The astronomer name was Galileo and he is from Italy. So he made the first telescope, and from this telescope we can easily see the stars and planets. Today we study the universe with the help of satellites and space probes. Okay, so student, next see, Dash is also known as a Saptarshi. Ursa Major is known as the Saptarshi. The Dash is the brightest star in the night sky. So Polar Star is the brightest star in the night sky. The solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. A person who studies heavenly bodies is known as an astronomer. Okay, so student, today we have learned about asteroid, meteors, comets, the sun, the planet Earth, then galaxy, and then astronomy. Okay, so student, read the topic again and complete your homework. So let's see the recall of this chapter. So our chapter name is the universe and the solar system. So in solar system we have learned about sun, planets, satellites, asteroids, comets, and meteors. And in the planets we have learned about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, so student, read the topic again and complete your homework. Thank you, students.